Viewers, welcome to our homeopathic medicine channel. Today I describe about homeopathic medicine Aethusa. Name of Aethusa: dog parsley, fool's parsley. Source: a common weed which resembles parsley. It's about a foot high. The juice from the leaves is acrid taste. Habit: it's abundant throughout Europe. Preparation: the mother tincture is prepared from the whole plant when it is flower. It is first proved by one of Hahnemann's fellows in 1828. Indication: prostration and sleeplessness immediately after vomiting, diarrhea, cramps and convulsions are the most certain indication of the remedy. Here, important mild symptom of Æthusa: people who are respond best to Æthusa are often characterized by poor concentration and a tendency to be easily distracted. They are generally reserved, alienated, reclusive and irritable. Here, key uses of Æthusa: anxiety with associated diarrhea. Number 2, confused state of mind with scattered thoughts. Number 3, marked dullness and sluggish mental state. Number 4, milk intolerance in children. Here, key symptoms associated with Æthusa include a confusion state of mind with scattered thoughts. Those affected may be talk themselves and behave foolishly. Other typical symptoms can be included marked dullness and sluggish mental state, possibly linked with inability to study. This symptom may be accompanied by prostration with a sense of stillness or anxiety with associated nervous diarrhea. Here, it is important that Æthusa also appropriated for children with milk intolerance, notably babies who are prone to sudden vomiting after feeding and who may have diarrhea. Lack of nutrition may set up a cycle of hunger, feeding and subsequent violent vomiting. This may result in a state of extreme exhaustion and collapse, causing the baby's face to appear drawn, agonist and aged. It may also seem as though the baby's whole body has enlarged, particularly in the heart area. Modalities: better for open air, for walking, for company and conversation, for rest. Oats: for warmth and hot weather between 3 am and 4 am, for overexertion, for eating frequently, for milk. Dose: 3 to 30 potency is commonly used. 6 potency is very effective. Repetition: it should be repeated after each stool, vomit or convulsions. Duration of action is indefinite. Relationship: elementary calcarea curve. Here, Thank you for watching my video. For regular update, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.